Now Tanusri, okay? Tanusri will speak about the birds. Okay, first start. What is it?
This is a duck. This is a crane. This is a hen. This is a parrot. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. This is a crow. This is a crow. This is a swan.
Swan.
This is a peacock. This is a crow. This is a crow. This is a
Swan.
swan.
Swan. Very good. Very good. Claps. Come on.
This is a duck. This is a duck. This
Crane.
crane.
This is a crane.
Crane. This is a hen. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. This is a cock. This is a cock. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. This is a crow. This is a crow. This is a swan.
Claps. Very good. Very good. Next. Yes. Chandani.
This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a crane. This is a crane. This is a hen. This is a peacock. This is a peacock. This is a cock. This is a cock. This is a peacock. This is a crane.
Crow.
This is a crow. This is a snake.
Yes. Very good. Claps. Come on.
This is a duck. This is a duck. This is a crane. This is a hen.
This is.
This is a frog.
No. This is a cock.
This is a cock. This is a cock. This is a peacock. This is a crow.
This is a swan. Claps. 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 Claps.